Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Redesign Engineering. Today I'll show how to design a piston ring in Solidworks software. Before I have drawn the piston in Solidworks software, so I'm going to request everybody, if you did not subscribe my channel, please subscribe it and also press the bell icon to get the new videos. I'm going to start. I'm taking a new file. Part selected, then OK. Then I'm taking the dimension units. I'm taking the mmgs. Then plane is selected, top plane is taken, normal. Going to the sketch and taking a circle. I'm drawing two circle. The first cycle and the outer cycle diameter will be 85 millimeters, and inner cycle diameter is 79 millimeters. Okay. Going to the features, extrude was selected. I'm taking this one is 4.3 upwards. Okay, see, the piston ring is done. I'm going to increase the image quality. So image quality and increase this one, increase this level also. Then okay, see. Then I'm going to determine the materials. I'm going here. I'm selecting the rubber yarns. Then I'm selecting the rubber. Rubber is here. Here is the glossy rubbers. I'm taking the matte rubber. Double click, then it's in the matte. Now see. Then I'm going here, select this one. See. I think got it, everybody, how to design a piston ring in Solidworks software. If you think that you are benefited by watching this video, please subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share. The Redesign Engineering is always with you.